Last week, I analyzed another Google Ads account for a restoration company. Well, guess what? More than 50% of all their money was being wasted in irrelevant clicks. For example, their number one key phrase where they're getting the highest amount of clicks is home restoration companies. If you provide water damage restoration service, you should not be running campaigns in home restoration companies. That's irrelevant. Now, some of the other keywords are relevant, but they are in broad match. Running campaigns in broad match is suicidal. Now, while most business owners think that the clicks coming here under keywords is what you're getting clicks in, that's not correct. In order to find the words, the key phrases where you're actually getting clicks, click on Insights and Reports and then click on Search Terms. When you click here, this is where you'll see the real key phrases where you're getting clicks. And so here you are, the search terms where the actual clicks are coming in. Crawl space clean out, damp in walls, damp specialist. Now, I know this could be somewhat related to water damage, but not a clean keyword which says water removal expert, right? Damp specialist, flood debris removal, probably a few competitors' names. Wall is wet, wet carpet. Again, not necessarily related to water removal services, Angie's services, carpet repair, female contractors, hardwood repair, home inspection, HCR company, Gordon plastering, and I can go on and on. You get the idea. All these clicks that are coming in these irrelevant search phrases, hood cleaning service, gate restoration, just the word cleaning by itself, and this is all water damage restoration related campaigns. A ton of money just going down the drain for all these irrelevant keywords. You know, every time you see out of $23,000 in this campaign, more than half the money is wasted. Now, once you've seen the search terms that are bringing you clicks, again, not keywords, but search terms, the second most important thing that you should see is go all the way down and click on Change History. Everything that's done in your Google Ads account gets recorded by Google. So if you click on Change History, make sure you select at least 90 days data from top right. Make sure you select all campaigns and then click on Change History. This will show you how often your account is optimized. Now, I cannot take you there because it shows the name of this company, their email, the agency that was managing this campaign as well. But they only made maybe like 10 to 12 changes in this account in over 6 months. And that's not what you want, right? Once again, number one, search terms. Number two, change history. And finally, number three is most people don't run two ads at the same time. They don't A/B split test. Now, the responsive ads give you options of adding a lot of headlines, a lot of description, and every agency, every company tries to get the excellent score. But see, it's not necessary that the excellent ad has the highest conversion rate. In our case, an ad that has the ad strength of average has almost 25% conversion rate, 24.24. And this data is brand new from April 27th through May 26th today. One of our clients has a big marketing budget, spends about $50,000 a month in water damage alone. And so one of his campaigns, $10,000 we spent in last 30 days in this campaign. And the ad with average strength has a higher conversion rate. How do we do that? By pinning headlines. See, ad strength average, and all these headlines are pinned. Now what happens when you pin headlines? You're in control. You show your ad exactly the way you want it to be seen by your prospects, not the way Google wants to show it. So pin headlines, pin descriptions, and make sure you control what you want your prospects to see, and that'll help you get more conversions, reduce your cost per lead, and get a higher positive ROI. Hope that helps. If you want me to analyze your campaign, inbox me, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to do that.